In the heart of Stone Age China, ancient hands carved tools from trees and left behind a story buried in silence. Near the banks of an ancient lake in Gantenking, archaeologists have uncovered something almost impossible: wooden tools that survived over 300,000 years. This discovery takes us back to a time before Homo sapiens even existed, when early humans shaped their world with wood, not just stone. These 35 wooden tools, carefully carved from pine and hardwood, include digging sticks, hooks, scrapers, and even two-handed instruments made for precision and strength. Every surface tells a story of plant harvesting, soil digging, and deliberate craftsmanship, long before metal or pottery existed. The tools were found in low-oxygen clay near the shores of ancient Lake Fuxian, a humid subtropical paradise rich in life. The people of Gantenking foraged for nuts, fruits, and roots. They knew the land, they knew the seasons, and they built tools for a plant-based lifestyle. These weren't just survival tools. They were purpose-built, task-specific, and used to gather edible plants from the shallow lakeshore. Dating the tools wasn't easy. Scientists used cutting-edge infrared luminescence to scan over 10,000 grains of sand, revealing dates between 360,000 and 250,000 years ago. This vibrant lakeside ecosystem teemed with life, from rhinoceroses to diving ducks, and early humans thrived in it, without spears or fire pits. Compared to the crude stone tools of Europe and Africa from the same era, the Gantenking artifacts are more complete, more varied, and far more advanced. Because wood rarely survives, our history books have favored stone. But this site shows a different story, a forgotten technology. The early humans of Gantenking were engineers, botanists, and survivalists. They knew how to shape the world around them, not with brute force, but with knowledge. And now, their story has resurfaced, a wooden whisper from the Stone Age, reminding us that innovation began long before metal met fire. If you're amazed by how far back human ingenuity goes, subscribe, like, and share this video to uncover more ancient secrets still hidden beneath the surface of time.